Well, my patient care philosophy is to provide the highest quality care that I can in a very caring and comprehensive manner. I treat all of my patients as if they were my family. I've just developed very close relationships with them. Even those who are seeing me for the first time, I just feel like we just have known each other for many years, and I just treat them as if they were part of my family. My goal for each patient visit is to address the patient's concern and also to provide the best quality care that I can for that specific complaint. Well, I chose family medicine as my area of specialty because really when I was going through my medical student rotations, I couldn't decide on one specific specialty. So I loved family medicine because I was able to see the children, to see the pregnant women, although now I don't, see pregnant women. But I could treat adults, I could see patients in the hospital, I could do minor procedures, repair lacerations, broken bones. So it was really nice that I could do a little bit of everything in my daily practice. I think my patients would describe me as somebody who sits down with them to listen to them, who doesn't rush them out the door. And some of them are even surprised when I call them at home. They say, I've never had a doctor call me at home, or I give them my cell number if there's something really urgent that I need them to call me about. And so they just are very surprised that I go to that length to get in touch with them when I need to. The most rewarding thing about the work that I do each day is seeing my patients take charge of their lives, their health, and really be proactive and follow the doctor's instructions about the treatment that's recommended, because I really want them to live long and healthy and productive lives. And if I feel that they need to be on that medication for their blood pressure, it's really because I want them to have that healthy life. And so I'm very proud of my patients when they just they do what they need to do to get better.